Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? We are coming with another story. You guys have been hitting my DMs and I live and I love. Let us discuss. I got my computer here. Let us read. This, my darlings, was actually on the Shade Room and it was by Solomnon Buchi. Solomon said to his wife-to-be, "You are not the most beautiful woman. Neither are you the most intelligent woman. But like I've chosen to never find perfection in anyone else, I put my gaze on you. And with commitment, we would mold ourselves for ourselves. Our perfection is in our commitment." Stating that you are not the most beautiful, intelligent might sound like it's not a compliment. Yeah? But it's a realistic base for real love. Acknowledging that my woman isn't the best, but I'm not looking for the best. I was looking for you and I found you. There's no best. There is just someone you choose and see the best in them. This to me is the real love. Not the one that consoles itself in the faux reality that their partner is the most good-looking, most intelligent, most successful person in the world. That's disingenuous and doesn't give room for love to thrive. I love you. I'm committed to you. I miss you so much, but my love for you is stronger than distance. I absolutely know where he's trying to come from. It just wasn't necessary to say. I think I understand what he was trying to say. He just said it with all the wrong words. If Ula had told me that, I'd have walked right out. It was very egotistical of him because he subconsciously, without knowing, put himself on a pedestal. You are not the most beautiful. You are not the most intelligent woman. But neither are you. You are not the most handsome man. You're not the tallest man. You're not the richest man. You're not the most intelligent man or the well-traveled man. You are not that man. Why would you say that to your spouse or your spouse to be? I have chosen you. I have picked you up and out, and you should be grateful that I have chosen you. I love you. Be grateful that I love you. From a distance, I love you. We should start from where you are basic, and we build up from there. Throw him out. This man is a narcissist. If this is love, you can imagine when he's upset with her. If this is love, you can imagine when he's angry with her. It's condescending, it's demeaning, it's unnecessary. This is not love. This is some kind of mind-boggling control that he wants to start on the onset. I thought about it, and I was like, it's not a compliment, it's a backhanded compliment. Your wife should be everything. Your wife, in your eyes, is the most beautiful woman to walk this green earth. And you should treat her like a queen. To tell her that she's not the most, and she's not the most beautiful, and she's not the most intelligent, it's insulting. It's insulting. Because love is completely blind. At least that. Love is completely blind. You should be blinded by her. I am blinded by Ula. Ula gave me the liberation to start having friends that were male. Because I no longer saw them like that. Because for me, Ula is king. Ula is the only male hot body, hot man that I see. I don't see it any other guy. Now I can be friends. Hey, how are you, John? What's up? How are you doing? How's your mama? How's life? Listen, I need some help with this. Do you know anybody? I don't even think about it. Because Ula is in this beautiful, gilded, gorgeous platform. He's the father of my son. Oh, he's God. Because Adrian is my little angel. Everything. I see Ula and Adrian. Beautiful eyes. How can I not think Ula is the most beautiful man on this green earth? I do. Ula, yes. In everything, he's the best. And you have to say it too. And you have to remind them and love up on them. And give them all of that. This man, it was cold. It was cold to me. I think he thought that this was a compliment. It was a hot mess. That's why I got to the shade room, because everybody was like, let me read this again. These are the warning signs, guys. This is a warning sign. I would not marry this man. I don't want this man to tell my daughters this nonsense. Just know you're not the most beautiful. Just know you're not the most intelligent. You're not the slimmest. You don't have the nicest legs. You can't say that to any woman and think that it's a compliment. You're demeaning her. You're insulting her. And she doesn't have a strong self-worth, self-confidence. She will begin to believe that kind of nonsense. It's not okay for men to talk to you like this. Any man, nobody should ever talk to you like that. You are a queen. As I'm sitting here talking to you, you are a queen. You are a queen. You are the most beautiful. You are the most beautiful. You are funny. You are light and bright. You are intelligent. You are smart. You've got a personality. You have character. You have people that love you. Never forget. Never forget. Never forget. You have people that appreciate you. You're something else. And you need to find your perfect match that will appreciate all of you as is. And when you have differences in opinion, you talk about them without disrespecting each other. Not where he will say, well, you know, you're dumb anyway. You're not the brightest person, so I don't expect the most from you. He would say something like that. And just turn the conversation, no matter how it goes, and begin to insult you. You're not worthy. You're too dumb. Well, of course, what am I expecting? You couldn't process it. Guys, be careful out there. Because sometimes cyanide is laced with honey. Yep. If it doesn't feel right, or you have to question it, or you have to think, or you don't want your girlfriends to hear this, to see this, your parents to see this, it's not right. As soon as you are like, no, it's not right. Solomon needs to learn to respect women. I sometimes wonder what kind of relationship these men had with their mothers or sisters. Did they have sisters? Were their mothers in their lives? Because when you have a strong mothering presence in your life, as a man, you couldn't treat another woman like this. You couldn't talk to another woman like this. You know the boys that will open the door for you, the boys that stand up so that you can sit down, the guys that will open the door as you are coming in, they're going out, that speak to you softly. They have female presence in their lives. They grew up where they had men that showed respect to women in their lives, and so they do it in turn. It's a big thing I'm going to do with Adrian. Women are beautiful. We are flowers. We make the world so much more brighter. We give birth. We keep this human race going. We're tough. We're resilient. We do a lot. We do so very, very much. And me being a mom, I realize how offensive it is to say, oh, she's just a stay-at-home mom. A stay-at-home mom is a job and a half. You're working. And you're taking care of you. And remember, girls, we have a window of opportunity where your fertility is ripe and rich. And you want to have children. You want to have children with the right guy. It's a lot that's coming up against you. And you got your time slots. Don't waste it with people like Solomon. He's not a bad guy. He's just very uncouth. And he has no smooth edges. I don't know where he came from. I really don't. But in this day and age, 2022, you don't talk to women like that. More importantly, we women, we're not appreciating. We are not accepting it. Above all else, we're not tolerating it. We are not. I promise you this. I would have been A-OK if I never got married. I wasn't looking. That's the funny thing. I had searched. I had gone online dating before Ula. Oh, yes. Oh, what was it called? Was it Match? I think it was called Match. In New York. By the time I got into where I was, 39, I was loving living in LA. I was a struggling actress and I loved it. I loved all the experiences. I wasn't looking. Ula came into my life and I was like, oh wow, Lord, you got a fabulous sense of humor. Because I was okay with me. And I think that was what it was. Because I let it go. The same thing with Adrian. We tried. Then within me, I let it go. And then I got pregnant. Upon all the IVF that we did. Upon all the running around, this guy, whatever, I just let it go. And I think when you let it go, you are happy and you exude that. And people want to be around positivity, laughter, fun, going Fumi. Nobody wants to be around depressing people. And so when you are depressed and desperate and you feel like nobody loves you and you don't love yourself, this is when people like this can really capitalize. And they know to tap into those insecure emotions. And you begin to feel grateful when he should be the one to be bowing down to a queen. All right, my darlings. I live for you guys. I hope you enjoy the episodes. And we are going into makeup. I'm going to show you my favorites, what I'm working with, what I'm loving. And we're going into fashion as well. Why not? Huh? I'll see you soon, my darlings. All of my love. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share. And leave all of your comments below. I live for you guys. Bye.